Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to set a data limit for Wi-Fi connection in a Windows 11 operating system. It is a very easy and simple video. So let's go. First of all, just go to the start and here just type settings and just click on the settings. In settings, we find network and internet. Just click on the network and internet. In network and internet, there are two ways to go to data use. First way is just click at here or just click on the Wi-Fi connection. I just click on the Wi-Fi connection. In Wi-Fi connection, just go to the properties. Just go to your username, your internet or Wi-Fi username, and then just go to the properties. Just go to the properties. In properties, we find metered connection. This is off by default. Just go it and on it, and just click on the set a data limit. Here we find data use. Here just go to the here and just go with the Wi-Fi connection of your, and then just click on the enter a limit. Here just go with the monthly or one time or unlimited. I just go with the monthly. Here just add a date. I just start a date from the first date, so I just click on the 1, and here we find a data limit. I just give a 20 GB, so I just add a 20, and in unit I just add a GB. GB is IMP. Then just click on the save, then wait for a few seconds, and here we find our limit. Okay, if you want to edit limit, then just click on edit limit. If you want to remove limit, then just click on the remove limit. If you want to reverse or stop data limit, then just reverse the my process and you find remove limit and just remove that limit. So guys, this is the simplest way to add a data limit to your Wi-Fi connection in a Windows 11 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.